Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. Now I am going to teach English language chapter 4 verbs. Now I am going to teach English language chapter 4 verbs. I already taught this lesson. I already taught this lesson, but somebody is not seeing, somebody is seeing, I don't know, but I am same lesson. Now I am repeating chapter 4 verbs. Okay. Okay, all of you take your English language copy. All of you take your English language copy. Write down the heading. Chapter 4 verbs. Then question number 1. Write the definition of verbs with examples. Question number 1. Write the definition of verbs with examples. Answer is, some words tell us what a person, an animal or a thing does. Such words are called verbs. I am repeating. Some words tell us what a person, an animal or a thing does. Such words are called verbs. Then example, babies crow, a ship sails. This is the definition of verbs. All of you take your English language copy, then write down the definition with example. Okay? All of you take your English language book, page number 21, chapter 4 verbs. See, look at the pictures and read the words given below. Tick the actions you can do. Look at the pictures and read the words given below. Tick the actions you can do. Which action you can do? You should tick the word. Okay. Then first one, eat, skip, write, swim. These actions you can do. That's why you put tick. Okay. Eat, skip, write, swim. Then the definition of verbs. Some words tell us what a person, an animal or a thing does. Such words are called verbs. Examples, babies crow, a ship sails. Okay, words tell us what a person, an animal or a thing does. Such words are called verbs. Then see, write 2 actions you can do. Write 2 actions which you can do. See, singing, dancing you can. Okay, write 2 actions you can do, singing and dancing. Then see page number 22, next exercise. In the poem, circle the actions the child can do. In the poem, circle the actions the child can do. Which actions the child can do? Circle this action. Okay, I can tie my shoelaces. Tie. Then I can brush my hair. Brush. I can wash my face and hands. Circle wash. I dry myself with care. Dry. I can clean my teeth. Circle clean. And fasten up my frocks. Fasten. I can dress all myself. Dress. I pull up both my socks. Pull. Okay, circle these words. These words means tie, brush, wash, try, clean, fasten, dress, pull. Okay, then next exercise, rearrange the letters in the brackets to name the actions these animals can do. Rearrange the letters in the brackets to name the actions these animals can do. Rearrange the letter and write the words in given the space. Rearrange the words and write the words given the space. Okay. A caterpillar can crawl. Then a fish can swim. A rabbit can hop. Okay. Then see, a cat can climb a tree. Rearrange the words and write the answer given the space. Okay, climb. A dog can catch a ball. A penguin can slide on snow. A parakeet can talk. Okay, then D. Fill in the blanks with the verbs from the board. Some verbs in the board. You should fill in the given the space you should write. Okay, love, rests, teach, meets, returns, reads, goes. See, Mrs. Borkar is a teacher. She teaches class second. She teaches class second. Children love her. She goes to school at 8 a.m. and returns at 2 p.m. She has lunch and then reads the newspaper. She rests for some time, then she goes to the park. She meets her friends in the park. Okay, do the exercise. Okay, then shall I move next exercise, page number 24. See, we add ing to words when we talk about an action that is going on. Example, Anita is reading. I add ing form to the words. Okay, Anita is read, add ing, it is reading. Mohan is drinking water, add ing to the action word. Okay, add ing to the action word. See, we add ing to words when we talk about an action that is going on. Read, reading, drink, drinking. Okay, see the example. Add ing to these words. Eat, eating, sing, singing, push, pushing, jump, jumping, pull, pulling, dream, dreaming, go, going, climb, climbing, sleep, sleeping, crow, crowing. Most action words which end in an e, we drop the e to add ing. Example, take. Take spelling T-A-K-E, take, plus ing, taking. But we drop e. Okay, take spelling T-A-K-E, take, plus ing, taking. But drop e. Then you are taking. It is the answer. Okay, see the example. Write. Write spelling W-R-I-T-E, write. But you should drop the last letter. Last letter it is E. E, cut it and write writing. Bite, biting. Bake, baking. Dance, dancing. Give, giving. Shake, shaking. Move, moving. Smile, smiling. Ride, riding. Wave, waving. Okay. In certain words, we double the last letter of the word when we add ing. Sometimes it is double word. Double word also is coming. Then you add ing. Okay. In certain words, we double the last letter of the word when we add ing. Example, jogging. See, last letter G. One letter also, the last letter G. You add one more G, then add ing also. Okay. Then see the example. Double the last letter and add ing to these words. See, run, spelling R-U-N. Then the last letter N, N double. R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running, run, running. Skip, skipping. Sit, sitting. Dig, digging. Bat, batting. Hit, hitting. Stop, stopping. Climb, climbing. Shop, shopping. Sip, sipping. See the exercise. Hit, hitting. Stop, stopping. Clap, clapping. Shop, shopping. Sip, sipping. This is clap. Okay, clapping. Shop, shopping. Sip, sipping. sleepy. See, double the last letter and ing to these words. Double the last letter. Last letter which is last letter, double it and add ing also. Okay. Then see. Add ing to words in the brackets and fill in the blanks. Add ing to the verbs in the brackets and fill in the blanks. See the exercise. Alia is reading a book. Bracket is this read. But answer is reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Add ing to the verb. Okay. Then Rajan is playing with a ball. Bracket it is play but add ing also. Then answer is playing. A cat is sitting under the table. Bracket it is sit but answer is sitting. Add ing also. Then what is Mr. Joes doing? Bracket is do but answer is doing. Okay, he is looking at the bookshelf. Bracket look but answer is looking. Then mummy is giving a book to Jessie. Bracket is give but answer is giving. Okay, this is the exercise. Okay, all of you do the exercise and write the definition in your copy and do the exercise in your language book. Okay, are you understand what I told? Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.